saying bye to the sun with raw chicken. He's leaving. See you next year. If there's not gonna be any crazy shit happening. Never know. Might be your last day on this earth. Eating this raw chicken and shit. And either way, never know when salmonella hits your tummy and starts to wreck shop. Just destroying that stomach. That would suck. Maybe it's just my placebo, my mind powers just so strong. I'm always, every single day, placeboing that salmon Nutella out of my body. Maybe I'm just built different, bitch. Ain't no hoe in me, and by hoe I mean salmon Nutella. My tummy built different. You know that. My tummy only has real gangster bacteria. Where salmon Nutella enters, my real G's. Take it down. Or maybe that's the salmon Nutella. Ever thought about that? Maybe the salmonella makes my tummy work so good. Because they are the real G of bacteria. That's a real tummy conspiracy right there. Why are they always finding that salmon Nutella? When people start to shit their brains out, maybe the salmon Nutella is there to help. Thank you, raw chicken, for making my tummy amazing. Whee! Science, bitch.